Learn English quickly. Hello, everybody. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1, what word goes together with dad? Correct. And number 2, good, better, best. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer loves her mom. Jennifer loves her mom. She loves her mom. Her mom is her mother. Now we can make a flashcard for mom. For mother, informally, we say mom. Father, informally, we say dad. Please make a flashcard like this. Write mom up here in the top left corner, M-O-M. Down here in the bottom left corner, F-A-M-1. This means family, level 1. And over here in the bottom right corner, the number 11 out of 19. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Mom. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. This pizza is good. This pizza is good. Good. The quality is high. It is delicious. Now we can make a flashcard for good. We also use it like this. You are a good tennis player. This means you play very well. When we compare 2 things, we say better than. And for number 1, we say the best student. So all of these are wrong. We never say them. Please make a card like this. Write be good up here in the top left corner, together with better, best. Down here in the bottom left corner, A1. This means adjective, level 1. And over here in the bottom right corner, the number 35 out of 88. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Good. Game over. You did very well today. Jennifer loves her mom and her dad, of course. Good, better, best. If you're high level, here are the level 2 words. Number 1, try. Yeah, this is the noun. Sometimes we say, good try. Number 2, can you say it? Correct, percent. Number 3, to do something. Meanwhile. This is like at the same time. Today is Sunday, June 15th. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.